Hello guys, my name is Alexander Stepanov. You were waiting for this video about 5 years and it's time to introduce you Luba.
Hello my friends and subscribers. My name is Luba. I like transformations. I want beautiful nails and lashes.
After pandemic of COVID-19 just started, Luba has lost her work. Last year she had good job in office. She had to come back to her old house and burn the oven with the coal. That's why her hands are totally dirty with the coal. A lot of people scolded this person in the comments, but I told you before that her life was really hard and nobody had so many troubles as this woman had. And sometimes I wonder how she is still alive, because there were so much beating and violence in her life, problems with alcohol, and of course all these problems were because of men, because they drank her. You know, it's not easy to stop drinking vodka if you live with husband alcoholic. When she tried to break up with him, he started to beating her. She had two bad husbands. One of them had problems with alcohol and another one was criminal and narcoholic. And you know guys, one day I thought that now we are struggling with COVID-19. Governments of all countries do everything to calm the pandemic down. But everyone knows that women violence will be more actual problem than all pandemics. We all know the number of people died because of COVID-19, but no one knows the number of women who have suffered because of cruel men. And I dedicate this new video to violence against women. And you know, in some countries, for example in Russia, violence against women is increasing now. A lot of married couples now have to stay under the box because of pandemic situation. They can't go to the work. People tired of each other. There are too much scandals, too much blood, too much violence. I think the virus is killing people not by itself. This is something like mental strain, and we all have to struggle with it. My friend Luba called me and she told that she's tired of this life. It's very hard for her to stay without money, without work, to live with small children in a ruined old house. And I decided to do something for her. Me and my friend Lash maker Nadia, we decided to transform everything on Luba's body as we can. For example, I'm transforming her fingernails. Nadia will make lashes extensions, eyebrow shaping and coloring, and the makeup. At first we want to make Luba happier, and this is something like the challenge. I'm sure that our subscribers will like it and appreciate our efforts. And in this video I also want to remind people that violence is killing themselves. Just look at this woman. When we started to make lashes extensions on her right eye, her eye started extremely puffed up. We asked her what was wrong with her eye. She said that she had cataract and glaucoma on her right eye. Nadia strongly said that we can't apply lashes extensions with such disease. But Luba asked to continue. She said that this eye is totally blind. She said that she wants beautiful lashes in spite of everything. And we decided to continue and make her happy. I know right now you think that it's stupidly to apply extensions of such long nails on her hands because she is hard worker, she has small children. I can explain guys for you why do I'm doing that. You know guys, it's very popular now to transform the model to the perfection. And of course we are doing it for getting more views, because I want to help Luba not with such transformation. I want to help you with money from your views. The Luba will get as a present all the sum from views of this video. And of course, after revealing shots, we will make her nails a little bit shorter to the length she is comfortable to live with. You know guys, in past I made simple videos of my work, but day by day I understand that our life is not so long. It's better to give messages in my videos, not simple tutorials. And I hope this video will change something in this world. If you enjoy this format of videos, I will continue to do such transformations. And you know, Luba became the hero of this channel. And when I download the video without Luba, just nobody watches those videos. They are not so interesting. People ask me to return Luba to my channel. Maybe she helps people to live? I think so. Because sometimes when I have a lot of troubles, I remember Luba. I remember her life, and my minds, my thoughts, such thoughts helps me to be stronger. And of course, optimistic. Nobody knows that Luba has a great sense of humor. Her jokes are amazing. She knows a lot of funny stories. It seems that each day she has the funniest story in the world. And every time she comes back to infill her nails, she tells new and new stories. And we just lauding all the time. Everybody around just lauding. And this story teaches us that we shouldn't tease people because of their appearance. Their race, nationality, position in society don't matter. You know, now I'm standing on my knees. I'm in a kneeling position about 2 hours in front of this woman because we're doing at the same moment the lashes extensions and the nail extensions simultaneously, and I feel myself comfortable because as long as we stick together, we became something like the family with Luba. And I'm absolutely sure that Luba means more for this channel than even me. There was a long period we didn't meet each other because of COVID-19, but now we want to break all rules. The half of year is too long period. And I hope guys our life will be changed and we will do everything we like. And as you can see guys, we are proceeding with eyebrows. If it's needed, I will publish the full tutorial how to do lashes and other beauty life hacks. I decided to ask Luba what was wrong with your eye.
Травма глаза где
She
получила?
says that her second husband was beating her. I'm a bit confused and asking her where is he
Пойдем
now.
сейчас.
She says that he's maybe in prison. The court gave him 8 years.
это?
I asked
Что ж там за
so many
побои
years
такие
for
были?
battery. She says that she had trauma of jaw, trauma of eye, broken ribs, broken nose, and something more I just don't remember. It seems like all I just remember. But as we can see guys, life is going on and I just want to tell women, just don't put up with that. You just should run away from violence, from such people, and be always beautiful.
I like transformations. I want beautiful nails and lash.
I just want to say, Luba, you are worthy of being the most beautiful woman in this world. And right now I'm telling you, you are amazing, my dear. Everyone loves you and wish you to stay such beautiful and such happier all your long life. I'm not gonna ask you guys anything, but just write your thoughts or write some wishes for Luba down in the comments. We always read them with Luba, and we always appreciate your support. And it's very actual nowadays to stick together. So guys, we worked a lot, applied high quality lashes extensions, worked with your hair brows and fixed them. I have applied pipe-shaped nails on her fingers with beautiful one-stroke nail design. And we made this video special for Luba to help her family and her children. I have never published lashes and makeup works before, so you can ask me to do it more in future. I will teach you guys to do miracles and to make people happy. Thanks for watching guys this amazing story. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos guys. Bye!